Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Binance Disqualified Account Detected issue. Now if you are facing this kind of issue, so what you can do is just go to the browser. Either you're using your mobile phone or the laptop or PC, doesn't really matter, but it is preferable that you should try from the desktop mode. Just go to the Google and search here Binance support chat and press enter, and you will see this section called support center. So just open the support center, and inside the support center, like, you can read the self services section as well. So there are many problems that are already listed, but in our case it is not listed. So just scroll down and keep scrolling, and at the end you will see need more support, chat support. Just click on this option, chat support, and once you click it, so it will take you to the another kind of chatbot option, so from where you can appeal it. So let it load. As you can see, La Binance Assistant, wait for it. And once you see this search bar, just search here, press just click on it, and they'll ask you like, how can I create a new account, like what is your problem. So just write here Binance account disqualified issue and press enter. And this is basically searching related issues. As you can see, account disqualified from Binance Alpha event, Binance pool issue, another account issue. Like, you can just click on another account issue, like you're using third-party tools or something like that. So you did some kind of violation. So let's say I want to choose with the first option, which is account disqualified from Binance Alpha events. Just click on this option. And once you click on this option, now as you can see, like, you are able to see an option called submit and appeal. Just click on submit and appeal, and inside this section you just need to give all the details that they ask for. Like my account is not currently suspended, so I am not able to appeal. So if you're like if your account is suspended or you're facing the issue, so you will be able to appeal the option from this section, and you can appeal them, give them the correct details. If you did any mistake, admit it and say sorry to them, and hopefully they will fix your issue. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.